Welcome to the Cruiser Motorcycles channel. Today, we will explain in detail about the 10 best new classic motorcycles for 2025. 1. 2025 Royal Enfield Continental GT650. MSRP, $6,000. Engine, 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power, 47 horsepower. Torque, 38 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 31.7 inches. Weight, 445 pounds. Fuel capacity, 3.4 gallons. Features: classic cafe racer styling, twin exhausts, digital analog instrument cluster, dual-channel ABS. Chassis and suspension: tubular steel frame, telescopic front forks, twin rear shocks. Design: authentic 1960s cafe racer design with a sculpted fuel tank, clip-on handlebars, and a solo seat. The Royal Enfield Continental GT650 offers a charming blend of classic British styling and modern reliability. Its parallel twin engine delivers a smooth and enjoyable ride, making it perfect for both experienced riders and those new to the classic motorcycle scene. 2. 2025 Kawasaki Z900 RS. MSRP, $11,000. Engine, 948 cubic centimeters inline 4. Power, 111 horsepower. Torque, 73 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 32.3 inches. Weight, 463 pounds. Fuel capacity, 4.5 gallons. Features: retro-inspired styling, powerful inline-4 engine, modern electronics including traction control and ABS. Chassis and suspension: lightweight trellis frame, inverted front forks, horizontal backlink rear suspension. Design: a modern classic that pays homage to the iconic Kawasaki Z1, with a sleek fuel tank, a classic round headlight, and a minimalist tail section. The Kawasaki Z900 RS is a powerful and stylish motorcycle that combines the best of both worlds. Its classic looks are sure to turn heads, while its modern engine and electronics provide a thrilling riding experience. 3. 2025 Moto Guzzi V7 Special 850. MSRP, $9,500. Engine, 853 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power, 65 horsepower. Torque, 54 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 31.5 inches. Weight, 463 pounds. Fuel capacity, 5.3 gallons. Features: classic Moto Guzzi styling, smooth V-twin engine, shaft drive, LED lighting. Chassis and suspension: tubular steel frame, telescopic front forks, twin rear shocks. Design: timeless Italian design with a distinctive V-twin engine, a round headlight, and a classic fuel tank. The Moto Guzzi V7 Special 850 is a stylish and characterful motorcycle that offers a unique riding experience. Its V-twin engine delivers a distinctive sound and feel, while its classic design is sure to appeal to riders who appreciate timeless aesthetics. 4. 2025 Indian Scout. MSRP, $12,000. Engine, 1,133 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power, 100 horsepower. Torque, 72 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 25.6 inches. Weight, 564 pounds. Fuel capacity, 3.3 gallons. Features: classic American cruiser styling, powerful V-twin engine, low seat height, comfortable riding position. Chassis and suspension: lightweight cast aluminum frame, telescopic front forks, dual rear shocks. Design: iconic Indian Scout design with a low-slung profile, a teardrop fuel tank, and a solo seat. The Indian Scout is a classic American cruiser that offers a comfortable and stylish ride. Its powerful V-twin engine delivers plenty of torque, making it perfect for cruising down the open road. Five. 2025 Triumph Speed Twin 900. MSRP $11,000. Engine 900 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 64 horsepower. Torque 59 pound-foot. Transmission 5-speed. Seat height 31.9 inches. Weight 459 pounds. Fuel capacity 3.2 gallons. Features: classic British styling, smooth parallel twin engine, modern electronics including ride-by-wire throttle and traction control. Chassis and suspension: tubular steel frame, telescopic front forks, twin rear shocks. Design: timeless Triumph design with a classic fuel tank, a round headlight, and a comfortable riding position. The Triumph Speed Twin 900 is a stylish and versatile motorcycle that offers a great balance of classic looks and modern performance. Its smooth parallel twin engine is perfect for both commuting and weekend rides. Six. 2025 Kawasaki W800. MSRP $9,000. Engine 773 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 46 pound-foot. Transmission 5-speed. Seat height 31.5 inches. Weight 485 pounds. Fuel capacity 5.3 gallons. Features: classic British styling, retro-inspired design, comfortable riding position. Chassis and suspension: tubular steel frame, telescopic front forks, twin rear shocks. Design: authentic 1960s British motorcycle design with a classic fuel tank, a round headlight, and a chrome exhaust. The Kawasaki W800 is a charming and authentic classic motorcycle that offers a nostalgic riding experience. Its smooth parallel twin engine and comfortable riding position make it perfect for leisurely rides on country roads. 7. 2025 Yamaha XSR 900. MSRP $11,500. Engine 847 cubic centimeters inline 3. Power 115 horsepower. Torque 65 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 32.7 inches. Weight 430 pounds. Fuel capacity 3.7 gallons. Features: retro-inspired styling, powerful inline-3 engine, modern electronics including traction control and ABS. Chassis and suspension: lightweight aluminum frame, inverted front forks, single rear shock. Design: a modern classic with a retro design, a round headlight, and a minimalist tail section. The Yamaha XSR 900 is a stylish and sporty motorcycle that combines classic looks with modern performance. Its powerful inline-3 engine and agile handling make it a joy to ride. 8. 2025 Indian Springfield. MSRP $22,000. Engine 1811 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power not applicable. Torque 119 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 26.5 inches. Weight 818 pounds. Fuel capacity 5.5 gallons. Features: classic American touring styling, powerful V-twin engine, comfortable riding position, ample storage space. Chassis and suspension: tubular steel frame, telescopic front forks, single rear shock. Design: iconic Indian Chief design with a classic fuel tank, a large front fairing, and comfortable touring amenities. The Indian Springfield is a classic American touring motorcycle that offers a comfortable and stylish ride. Its powerful V-twin engine and ample storage space make it perfect for long-distance trips. 9. 2025 Triumph Bonneville T120. MSRP $13,500. Engine 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 79 horsepower. Torque 80 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches. Weight 514 pounds. Fuel capacity 3.7 gallons. Features: classic British styling, smooth parallel twin engine, modern electronics including ride-by-wire throttle and traction control. Chassis and suspension: tubular steel frame, telescopic front forks, twin rear shocks. Design: timeless Triumph design with a classic fuel tank, a round headlight, and a comfortable riding position. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a classic British motorcycle that offers a timeless riding experience. Its smooth parallel twin engine and comfortable riding position make it perfect for both commuting and weekend rides. (10) 2025 Honda CB1300. MSRP $14,000. Engine 1,284 cubic centimeters inline 4. Power 113 horsepower. Torque 82 pound-foot. Transmission 5-speed. Seat height 31.7 inches. Weight 578 pounds. Fuel capacity 5.0 gallons. Features: classic Japanese styling, powerful inline-4 engine, modern electronics, comfortable upright riding position. Chassis and suspension: tubular steel frame, telescopic front forks, twin rear shocks. Design: a modern classic with retro influences, featuring a classic round headlight, a sculpted fuel tank, and a typically Japanese aesthetic that blends smooth curves with a sense of purposeful engineering.